Welcome to Learn with the Burton Girls.
Hi, I'm Ariana. I'm Aliyah. I'm Aliyah.
Come along and learn today. Read it, count, and sound it out. Learn with the Burton Girls. They learn from three little teachers.
In this video, we will be learning subtraction. Pause the video and give 5 things that are the same, like beads, toy beads, or regular beads that you use for hair, or you can use cubes, you can use pencils. Pause the video, grab what you need, and come back. We will be doing subtraction now. 3 take away 2 equals 1. Now we will be starting with 4 now. Four take away 2 equals 2. Now we will be starting with 5. Five take away 4 equals 1. We will be starting with 2. 2 take away 0 equals 2. We will be starting out with 2. 2 take away 2 equals 0. 3 take away 3 equals 0. Now we will be starting out with 4 now. 4 take away 4 equals 0. 5 take away 5 equals no more. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep having fun. Click the subscribe button and see you next time. Bye!